Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you. This time I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Microsoft Outlook. We're using the Office 365 version 2111, so it'll be similar to Office 2019 if you had the standalone version. And when you go to create a new email, maybe you want to have a signature like this that appears automatically, or you can go into Insert and choose signature, and you can have multiple signatures to choose from. So in order to have these available, we need to set that up, and there's two different ways of getting at that. One is through the signatures link right here. The other method is through the file menu up in the top and go to options, mail, and then there's signatures. So here we can have multiple signatures. You can create a new one, delete, save, rename them, and we're going to start off by adding something new, and we'll call this test for YouTube. So we've got that highlighted, and with that one highlighted we can edit that, which we're creating new, but it's still considered editing because we just created it new and it's blank as new. So we'll call it a test email signature. You can have your phone number. Your email doesn't make sense, but you would have in your website and maybe a slogan or something like that. Here you can add a link. If you highlight that, you've got a little hyperlink over here, and just type in the address. And now it's a clickable link. If you want to add in a picture, you can position it anywhere you want in here, and there's a little icon here for inserting pictures. And you can see that it's kind of oversized in here, so it makes it a little difficult to work with. So doing that from in here, there's supposed to be a resize option here, but that doesn't seem to work very well. If I try going from this way and trying to resize it, you can see that I'm having quite a bit of trouble with this. So I don't really like working with it that way. What I like to do is go into Word, for example. We'll just open a blank Word document. I'll paste my picture in there. Then I'll go back to my signatures here and copy what I already started to type. I'm going to paste that into here. And then using Word's built-in features here, we can now go in to change the justification on this. So if I choose the right one, it'll have the text right beside it exactly where I want. And I can resize this as well. And then I'll copy this entire thing, if I can select it all, Control C to copy it, and then we'll delete what's in here and I'll paste it in. And now it pasted everything back in here, but we can't see the picture. And scrolling up, you don't see it anywhere in here, but this is one of the issues with this. So we'll just assume it's there. We're going to hit save. And now with these options here, we can choose what signature we want. So I can say test for YouTube for new messages, but for replies and forwards you can have something else. And if you have multiple email accounts, you can change these options for each account as well. So I'm going to do that. So it's just for the new messages we're going to use this, and I'm going to OK. And if we go to create a new email, you'll see that it has my signature here with my picture showing perfectly sized, even though it didn't show up in the options for the signature screen. All that just by simply going to Word first, setting it up exactly how I want, and then copying that and pasting it into the Outlook mail settings. And that's it for this tutorial. If you did find it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.